This is client's request, company contact on email. This is problem clients. And
it is all demo request, so we don't violate any client data here. Don't try to message this guy. It's not real guy. Continue, Alex.
No real guy. We need a voice assistant that understands worker command and turn item into action, create update ticket, update client date in CRM, create task which deadline and priority, important integrate which current system, CRM, Helpdesk, task manager, don't do risky actions, which confirmation, work in a noisy environment and which is use stable internet, give transport log, command action result. First stage pilot which to teams about 16 workers. We want to see how fast we can tackle last.
Sorry.
To record task. First, we don't create a solution from zero. We look for similar project we already did. This is faster and safer. I already prepare prompt. I copy paste my prompt for cursor. Find similar project request clients. Find similar project in the discovery folder. Answer format project name. Y is similar. Hope similar. High, medium, low, vision different. And to the action. Expensed result. Voice to action. How is similar? Hope similar high. We see what difference, same idea but different detail. This helps you ask right questions. For the most similar project, voice to action. How difference from the new field force logistic request. Format, business context, constraint and integration, expert result and KPI. And play. It is a result. Of course, or create questions for the first meeting. It's use experience from past project. The questions help use no missing important things. Based on similar project, and didn't font create 15 discovery questions for the first meeting, which field force logistics and group questions. Goals and KPI, process and roles, data and integration, constancy of risk. Its result, 15 structured questions focus on baseline and target KPI for pilot, roles and task recording process, specification systems, work conditions. We similar that the integrate already happened. We get realistic answers. Then we use answers to build the solution. I copy paste my prompt, simulate the interview with operation director of field force logistic already happened. And request format for 15 questions. it is result 15 specific canvas, baseline KPI, a target KPI, system names. Probably we build the solution, we use only the integration answers. In something is missing, we put in open items. This is when it's work. I copy paste my prompt. Based in the interview which fulfills logistic rate, draft solutions, structure, draft architecture, pilot success scorecard, client contact card. Minute. Logistic draft, pilot draft. How we combine everything into one document. This is what they send to the client. It's my prompt. Combine AI result into one document plans draft, field force logistic and document structure. We create folder. It's not a database.
So basically, you can use Cursor or Code or whatever for client requirements discovery. So the more clients you process through the system, the more smarter your Cursor-based engine becomes. Because when you start from a raw model and you use only one commercial proposal template, for example, or any other document template, which is not actually very accurate. When you generate with this system at least 10 or better 100 proposal, you have enough context and you can teach this your agent guides. You can make your processes better based on just your data. And again, you don't only generate these documents, you generate it, then you manually review it, and it is not fully synthetic data, what I meant to say. It is like synthetic, generated by AI. Then you add something from your human point of view as a business analyst or sales manager or something like that. And so you create more and more. And then when you go to real meeting with real client, you have transcription of this meeting. You put this as a context again to this folder. You ask Cursor or Cloud Code to regenerate your proposal with the data of this meeting. So you are continuously making more context and continuously train your processes based on this data. Hey, Alex, please continue. Sorry for interrupting. I was.
It is result
Feeling the mic.
done in 5 minutes. We now the next meeting. Structured client, no promises on time or budget year. Ready to discuss which client. It's a request summary, similar project font, key difference, discovery question asked. It's 5 minutes. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Alex. So basically, we with the system, we are focusing to more predictable